Guten Morgen. Ich bin hier in Ausstellungsraum von WalzWerk. I'll rephrase that, shall I? Good morning. I'm here at the WalzWerk's showroom in Hockenheim, and it's a lovely, beautiful day. I arrived yesterday. It took me 6 hours from Calais to ride here along the Autobahn. And if you've never ridden along the Autobahn, it's quite an experience. Anyway, I'll leave that for now. So why I'm here is I've been following the story of Marcus Walz, and he's been running for about 34 years, and he started off building Harley-Davidsons, and then he went on to BMWs. He's also created lots of custom bikes. He's one being the Schizzo. It sounds a bit of a strange name, and I've just met him and asked permission to actually film inside, which he said yeah, quite freely. After this I'm going to go and have something to eat at the restaurant. He's got various restaurants up and down Germany, and come and have a little look and see what you think of the this place I've been following. 34 years making motorcycles. He's met famous people. He's won competitions over in America, so he's a bit of a star, to be fair. Let me know what you think, and like and subscribe as always, and make a comment as well. Tell me what you think. So this is the 1000th bike that WalzWerk have created in the 34 years of existence. The bike, as you can see, is a BMW R100 RS from 1987. Most of the parts of the bike have been specially manufactured. At the front you can see a 4-piston brake system with floating brake discs. WalzWerk have used the classic Firestone tyres. The tank is based on a Honda CB 750 tank, completely remodified for this bike. The BMW engine is a 1000cc, so the pistons, valves and cylinders have been modified. WalzWerk have installed a Del Auto carburetor. Lastly, at the rear they have fitted a special component called a Sidewinder, developed by YSS.
Think they scared how I make them feel. And you can say anything you want about me, I ain't worried, that don't make it real. They don't really wanna hear the real no more. Think they scared how I make them act. And you can say anything you want about me, I ain't tripping, that don't make it fact. Look, coming live from the gutter like a cold puddle, with water whipping road shuttle. Whole huddle, Dutch burning, moving slow, I'm feeling like the minute hand. All wishes granted to me, turning in a tenant van. Been a man, never question nothing that was in the plan. See it from my third eye vision, so I understand. Poolside, plotting moves like a dance team. 100 band scheme, in the dirty with my hands clean. Never been the type of they could castrate. 5th grade, I was selling candy to my classmates. I ain't call her back, I let her think about the last date. Student of the game, and I promise you not a classmate. Problem is with these rap, they move iffy, in my mood picky. Can't let these get rude with me. God spittin' on to keep my then it hit the game. Acting like I slipped in it, small town fly. You never heard it.